I'm super excited to share this recipe with you, not just because it's ridiculously delicious, but also because it's incredibly easy to make. You don't need to be a pro baker to whip up a batch of these tasty treats. With a few simple ingredients and some basic techniques, you can bake some truly amazing treats. Let's get started with the ingredients. We'll need some all-purpose flour, vegan butter, walnuts, sugar and the vanilla. I'll be using a mixture of half white and whole grain spelt flour to give these cookies a rich flavor. As I put the room temperature vegan butter, powdered sugar and the vanilla into a bowl, I beat everything together until it becomes a soft and fluffy mixture. Then I add the ground walnuts and the flour. As I mix everything together, you can see how easy it is to get everything combined. It should be soft but not sticky. If it sticks, I add a tablespoon or two of flour. The dough comes together beautiful. Place the dough in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Now it's time to shape our crescent cookies. This is the fun part. I divide the dough into smaller portions and roll each one into a rope. Then shape small crescents. If the dough crumbles, I quickly knead it with warm hands. Once our cookies are shaped, we'll pop them into the oven and bake them at 180 degrees Celsius with fan for about 13 to 15 minutes. The aroma that fills the kitchen is just amazing. It's like a warm hug on a cold day. These cookies are perfectly golden with a beautiful texture that's just right. You can roll them in powdered sugar once they've cooled slightly. The texture of these cookies is just perfect, crunchy on the outside and chewy on the inside, and the flavor absolutely divine. To make these delicious vegan walnut crescent cookies, we simply mix together our ingredients, shaped our cookies and bake them until golden. It's a simple recipe that's easy to follow, and the end result is just delightful. If you're a fan of vegan desserts, I'd love to hear about your favorite ones in the comments below. And if you're looking for more delicious vegan recipes, be sure to check out my other video, where I share some amazing plant-based treats. See you next time!